Welcome to Learn with Amin. Today in this video we'll look at a programming question called as missing number. It is frequently asked interview question. So we will be doing this programming in Python. In this problem we have been given an array nums. It is containing n distinct numbers in the range of 0 to n, and we are supposed to return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So that is, in the examples we can see the nums it is ranging from 0 to 3. So in this range of 0 to 3 there is one number that is missing, and that we need to find out. So we have 0 1, we don't have 2, we have 3, so we need to return 2 because it is a missing number. The same goes with 0 and 1. The second example, the nums, it has a value of 0 comma 1, but 2 is missing. So what is the length of numbers? The length of numbers is 2, and if we check the range from 0 to 2, then what is the number that is missing is 2, so we need to return that. And here in example 3 nums, we have the range of numbers from 0 to 9, and the number that is missing is 8, so we need to return this number. Let's jump into the program right away. First of all, I will be defining a class called as solution, and then I will be defining a user defined function called as missing number, and then it will take an argument of nums, which is an array of integers, positive integers. So first of all, I'm going to sort this array. That can be done by nums.sort. Then I'm going to check for boundary condition. So what is the boundary condition? So boundary condition is, we are going to look at the extremes. So first of all, we'll be looking at the last element of the nums, that is, if nums of the last element in an array can be accessed by using -1. So if nums of -1, if it is not equal to length of nums, so in this case we are supposed to return the value of length of nums. And else if there is nums of 0 such that it is not equal to 0, then that means 0 is the missing number, so we are supposed to return 0. So these are the boundary conditions, and as you remember, here nums is already sorted. Let us iterate through the index at place 1 to length of nums. So why we are taking a range from 1? Because we have already checked the first element. Now we are going to compare the two values, nums of I and nums of I minus 1. So we'll be saying if nums of I is not equal to nums of I minus 1 plus 1, that means what is the number that is missing? We are missing this number. So we would be returning nums of I minus 1 plus 1. Okay. There is also another way of writing this. So we can write for I in range of 1 to length of nums. If I not equal to nums of I, then we are supposed to return the value of I, because that would be the missing number. So you can either use this loop or this loop. Let us use this. Now this completes our program. Now we are going to define an object, my object equal to the object of the solution class, and then we are going to define an array 1. So let us take the third example. Let us take it as nums. So this is nums, and if we want to access this user defined function, you will be using the object dot user defined function, which is missing number, and you are going to pass the argument of nums, and that's it. It completes our program. Let us run it by using Ctrl+V on Sublime Text Editor. So it says that the missing number is 8, so the program is functioning accurately. If you like this video series, please like, share and comment. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you, take care and bye bye.